This year, LiteHawk Marina is back in a big way. First up are the LiteHawk Fire and Rescue and Marine Unit Emergency Response Boats. This epic duo are both equipped with the same features: twin drive pods, functioning LED lights, and a front-facing controllable water cannon. The cannon can shoot water up to 8 feet and can fire continuously thanks to an inboard water pump that draws water directly from under the boat. You could also control the direction of the water cannon up to 180 degrees. Thanks to 2.4 GHz controllers, there's no need to worry about interference or losing control of these boats while they're on the water. These emergency response-themed boats will definitely be a hit around the pool or at the lake. Last but not least for LiteHawk Marine is the LiteHawk Scoop. This fun, personal watercraft is the perfect entry-level remote-controlled boat for kids. With twin motors, 2.4 GHz remote, and auto on-off feature, the Scoop is a great pool toy that's safe and fun for all ages.